It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! I am back! Oh my gosh, you guys know what tonight is. Barry Williams, Greg Brady is going to be on Dancing with the Stars. I gotta hurry up and get my videos done so I can go watch. I'm so excited. I'm really hoping that Barry does well. We'll have to do a little chatting and figure out how he's doing. So, also today, look what I got in the mail. I got my Luminous Bath and Body Works coupon, which I'm super excited about. I really like this scent. I actually have the mini in the mist, and I have the mini perfume. So I got both of these. I got this first, and I gotta say, I like it. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but I kind of thought it smelled like exactly like Dahlia, which is interesting because the scent notes in this one, we're going to look at the marketing too, are ruby currant, gilded iris, and praline amber. Usually when they put praline in something, it smells good. It smells a little different when you first put it on versus the dry down. It's definitely fruity. It's got all kinds of elements running through it. I think it's good though. I gotta say, I'm impressed with this one. So I'm excited to get the entire collection. Like I said, I got it in the mini mist, and the packaging's gorgeous. I really love the gold, the pink. It's got like a, bear with me here, a little bit of a powdery note, but I got that in Dahlia too, but it's something that I like. Like there's something about the powderiness that doesn't bother me in this one. So I'm a little bit confused on how this fits in with Dahlia because I just heard on Life Inside the Page, Daily Finds, Tess, that we're getting Dahlia and Dark Kiss of all things in the faceted. So I'm really like, really? This is kind of interesting. So lots of interesting Scooby-Doo mysteries going on for Christmas, but I was super excited to get this. So this is going to be what the perfume bottle looks like. I don't know the price point on this, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I got to get this. It's going to be like number one on my list to get. And then if you open up the coupon, you're going to see what the packaging looks like. Let me do kind of a close-up of, look at this. This is the body cream. I think, is this a body, it's a Glotion body butter. That makes sense that they did the Glotion, but I really like the pink. I'm kind of glad they went with pink for Christmas. I don't know, it's really pretty. And then the coupons I got, well, first we got a now hiring. They're doing now hiring all over the place. So if you want a job at Bath & Body Works, I think you could probably get that easily. 20% off your entire purchase starting now to October 29th, and then a free hand cream. So these are the coupons that I got. And then on the back, they just show more of the collection. Now you can get the single wick now. I did see it in the store. I didn't buy it yet. I don't even know if the perfumes are still available. These seem to be sold out. But you can get the minis and the hand cream if you want to kind of try out Luminous. I like Luminous better than I did Pure Wonder. I'll have to say that Pure Wonder was okay for me. I did like Midnight Amber Glow. Remember when Midnight Amber Glow came out? I have to put this in the bathroom. By the way, I still have all of my shower gel sitting over here. I need to move everything into the bathroom. I'm still organizing, you guys. I don't know. I kind of miss Midnight Amber Glow. This was the Smooth Amber Caramel Latte and Vanilla Bourbon. I just picked this up the other day, and I'm like, you know what? I kind of miss it. So, I don't know what else is going to be rolling in as far as like returning scents for Christmas. I've heard Dark Kiss and Dahlia and Fairy Tale are all going to be around for Christmas, which is interesting. I find that very interesting. The packaging looks amazing. Strawberry Snowflakes, of course, is coming back. I talked about that. Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple, Twisted Peppermint, and then a new scent, which the name of it just slipped my head. But those are going to be in the faceted this year, which means yay, because they're going to look beautiful, but also that big price point, because with the faceted comes the big price point. So we're going to have to rely on these single price sales more than ever going into the holiday season. But I feel like the excitement is starting to bubble up for Christmas. A couple of people were asking me why I don't have Halloween yet. It's funny because Halloween came really early this year and I had Halloween up, but then I kind of felt like I skipped over fall. So I decided to put the fall background up, and you never know. Any day now, I'm not sure when, it's when the mood strikes me, this entire background is going to go all Halloween. And then we'll see how long I can keep it up. I usually don't make it until October 31st because we have so much Christmas rolling in, but we'll see this year. We shall see. Anyway, let me know if you got the coupon. This one actually did come to me. My husband and my mom didn't get one. I hope they do. Luminous is coming. And then you can pick up the minis in the store right now, but I'm digging the packaging. It's wonderful. Anyway, let's go watch Barry Williams go dance. I'm so excited. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.